In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on this Buick Encore. These are going to be located on the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. I'm going to grab the cover and just pull it straight up. It's just clipped in. We're going to disconnect the connector for the coil pack. Just use a pick. There is a little lock tab right here. This one looks a little broken. You might be able to get under there. Then push down on the tab. There we go. Pull the connector out. Using a T30 socket, take these bolts out. Grab the coil pack, just wiggle it back and forth a little bit, and it slides out. We're just going to take some compressed air and just blow down the spark plug tubes, just in case there's any debris down there. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket, I'm going to take the spark plugs out. And pull that out. Take the new spark plug, install it in the spark plug socket, and then very carefully lower this down. Get the threads started by hand. And we're going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. And you can do the same with the other ones. Take the coil packs and just a thin coat of dielectric grease on the outside of the boots. Just a thin coat. That's good. Now take the coil pack and just slide that in position. Push it down. Take the screws, get those started. Tighten these down. Torque these to 71 inch-pounds. Take the connector, line the connector up. Lock it down, and then that little lock there, push that little lock tab in. Take the engine cover, push it down in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.